Hello everyone, welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is Hornbill Festival 2025. This topic relates to culture section of the UPSC syllabus. Let's see why this is in news. The third day of the 2025 Hornbill Festival at Kisama village featured performances from 18 Naga community troupes. The festival highlighted Naga traditions, dances, and folklore. Now let's discuss about Hornbill Festival. The Hornbill Festival is an annual 10-day cultural extravaganza held in Nagaland, aimed at showcasing the traditions, music, dances, and festivals of the Naga tribes. The festival serves as an important event for cultural exchange, bringing together international and national dignitaries and promoting Nagaland as a key tourist destination. With countries like Austria, France, Ireland, and the United Kingdom as partners, the festival strengthens global and regional cooperation, particularly in cultural and tourism exchanges. Arunachal Pradesh is the state partner. Now let's discuss about Hornbill. The Great Indian Hornbill is a large bird found in the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. It primarily inhabits evergreen and moist deciduous forests. It thrives in the canopy of tall trees in the western Ghats, northeastern states, and the Himalayas. It is the state bird of Arunachal Pradesh and Kerala. India hosts 9 hornbill species, with the northeast having the highest diversity. Now it's time to do a practice question. The Hornbill Festival, a vibrant cultural celebration, is held annually in which state of India? A. Nagaland. B. Assam. C. Meghalaya. D. Arunachal Pradesh. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.